In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Tradingview charts and customize it. Tradingview is one of the most popular platforms for charting and technical analysis, offering a wide range of tools to help traders and investors make informed decisions. Whether you're new to Tradingview or just looking to personalize your charting workspace, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully customized chart setup tailored to your specific needs. And if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Tradingview homepage. Once you're there, focus on the top navigation bar. Hover your mouse over the Products section. This action will reveal a drop-down menu that lists several options. From this menu, click on Supercharts. Supercharts is the primary tool for technical analysis on Tradingview, and it's where you'll spend most of your time working with data. After clicking, wait a moment for the Supercharts page to fully load. This will bring you to the default chart workspace. You'll see the main chart area, which displays a live price chart by default. Now right-click anywhere in this main chart area. This will open a context menu, which provides several options for customizing your chart. From the context menu, select the Settings option. This will open the settings window where the real customization begins. Let's take a closer look at the different tabs within this window so you can understand how each one affects your charts. First, there's the Symbols tab here. You can adjust the appearance of price bars, candle colors, and lines. For example, if you prefer a specific color scheme for bullish and bearish candles, this is where you can set it. Customizing these visuals can help make your charts easier to read at a glance. And don't worry, if you experiment with these settings and change your mind, you can always reset everything back to default. Next, we move on to the Status Line tab. This section lets you customize the details displayed at the top of your chart, such as the symbol name, the last price, and indicator values. Adjusting these details can help you focus on the most relevant information while reducing clutter. After that, there's the Scales tab here. You can modify how the price and time axes are displayed. For instance, you can choose whether to show percentages or price values and adjust the scaling to fit your needs. This ensures that your analysis isn't overwhelmed by too much information or limited by too little. Then there's the Appearance tab. This is where you can truly personalize the look of your chart. You can change the background color, add or remove grid lines, and even adjust the watermark. These changes can make your workspace more visually appealing and comfortable for long hours of analysis. Finally, there's the Trading and Events tab. This section allows you to display or hide trading orders and events, such as earnings announcements. Enabling these can provide valuable context directly on the chart, helping you stay aware of important market events. Once you've explored all the customization options and made your adjustments, be sure to click Apply or OK at the bottom of the settings window. This will save your personalized settings. Take a moment to look at your customized chart and evaluate its appearance. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always return to the settings menu and tweak it further. Now that your chart is looking the way you want, let's move on to adding indicators. Indicators are essential tools for analyzing trends, momentum, and other market data. To access them, locate the Indicators button at the top of your chart. Click on it to open the Indicators library. In the library, you'll find a wide variety of indicators. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find a specific indicator that suits your trading strategy. For example, you might look for moving averages, MACD, or RSI. These are some of the most common indicators used by traders. Once you've found the indicator you want, click on it to add it to your chart. It will appear directly on the chart, allowing you to start using it right away. Keep in mind, you can add multiple indicators to your chart if needed. Each one will layer on top of the chart, providing additional insights. If your chart starts to feel too crowded, you can always remove or adjust indicators later. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up and customize your Tradingview charts to match your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.